Hey everyone, I'm Wes Seago. This is Java1, term 1409, week 4, building a connected app. Um, this week we were to build an app that connects to an external API and downloads some JSON data. In this app, we needed to make the connection with an asynchronous task on a background thread. Um, I actually did not finish my app. Unfortunately, the API that I used, I've used it twice in the past, and they have changed it. It's now a free version and a paid version. And in the past, I've used this app or this API to build some apps to get uh, data on moon, um, you know, different astronomical events to build some astronomy apps, and all of that stuff has been moved over to the paid version. So I decided that since I had chosen this, that I would just do, get weather, bring that back, and have the user select a city to, to get the weather from, and then build the string to make the call, and then send that out and return the data. But what I didn't realize was this new version of this API now returns an object with three separate it's a single object, but it has three arrays in it, and I was not able to overcome that. On Tuesday, when I got down to that, I'm about 85% done, but I got down to that point. I fully intended to come home from work today. Last night, when I got home from work, I researched a couple of external libraries, one of which was Jackson and one was JSON. And I was going to make a decision on which one of those I was going to use, because I felt like I could actually overcome this problem using one of those libraries. I could actually, get the data into a usable format. But the problem that I'm having now is that when the data comes back, when you drill down into that last array, you can't get the individual data items out. It saves all of it as a single item. But I'll show you what I did get accomplished. I'm going to use Genymotion, and I'll go through the code a little bit. We fire up the Genymotion simulator, and basically I'm going to clear this log out so that you can see what's happening when I do make my call. I have all of my fields here. When you enter a city, say Orlando, it's going to go out and grab that data and build the string, hit get weather. I'm going to go out, you can see here where we are actually building the proper request, and we're getting back our data. And then same thing, I had it set up to clear that field out for you. So if you want to put in another city, grab Miami weather, go out, same thing, it returns that data. But that's as far as I got with it. I'll go through the code really quick in my Java file. I'm sure mine looks pretty much like everybody else's, same stuff, but I did create a custom class over here. I called it HTTP Manager, and this is where I make my my call through an asynchronous task on a background thread, and I'm just taking that information and pull it back in. And I actually did break it down into the three. I've got a couple of them commented here where this is actually just the cumulative step, but I could actually get to the individual arrays, but you just can't break it further down into that. And unfortunately, I've got strep throat. That's the whole thing that killed me today, man. I spent the evening tonight at Central Care trying to get that handled, so I didn't get back to it. But I really did want to look at the Jackson and also the the JSON libraries, because I think one of those will solve that problem, and I probably will do that in the future just so that I can get a little bit of exposure to pulling like that through an external library. So anyway, that's it. Hope everyone had a great week, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thank you for watching.